Welcome to In the Zone with Power Zone. Today we have a rebuilt Ingersoll Rand 4JTC-6 centrifugal pump. It is an API 610 BB3 with the following features: 7-inch chrome case material, 6-stage 6-inch impellers, 300-pound suction flange, 4-inch 900-pound discharge flange, and counter clockwise rotation. The pump weighs 2,960 pounds with dimensions of 84 inches long, 48 inches wide, and 38 inches high. This pump has been rebuilt by Power Zone equipment and is ready to be unitized with an electric motor or diesel engine, or used as a drop-in replacement into an existing service. It can be tested for performance prior to it being shipped and is ideal for a wide range of applications such as boiler feed water. For more multi-stage horizontal centrifugal pumps for sale, visit powerzone.com. And for thousands of pumps, motors, engines, and Power Zone engineering and customizing capabilities, visit powerzone.com. Subscribe for more videos and get in the zone with Power Zone.